My name is Raymond Charles. I started an adult 12 program at Northlands College. At first, when I started here, I was a very shy individual, kept to myself, but with the help of the staff and the learners, I've grown out of my shell and slowly started being more open and communicative, I guess.
Do you want to pull the end of this thread, please? Okay. And even if you're in the process of sewing up your seam, you can always pull your spool out of the back of your awl.
The studies is a challenge for me because I've been out of school for so long, but for the teachers helping me out and explaining in different ways and examples helped me to learn a lot better and quicker. With their supportive help and encouragement kept me going.
Okay, now you're gonna pull that thread and make a loop, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one?
Yeah, you're gonna pull it all the way through.
Getting to learn my culture and how to do stuff like that is opening my eyes and making me realize how much our elders went through just to survive. And it's very good experience. The location is nice, it's peaceful. Being around everybody here and chatting with like almost everybody pretty much, it really helped me grow in more ways than one. And I think I needed that the most. Coming here, it kind of shone that light on me to grow into a better person. And I'm glad that I'm almost finished graduating this year, and it's the best feeling I ever had.
It takes two people because I can't reach around or see the other side, but this is how you could fix like any kind of tarp or anything or canvas tent without taking the tent down too, right? So it's a really good way to stitch many things and stitch up shoes, you name it.
We smoked and stretched the high two last year, and this is our second one this year. And it's been more open, and like even at the culture days, I wasn't brave enough to be a volunteer, but with the help of these two supporters, I've been out there in the community more often, trying to make an impact and be a positive role model. Even because, yeah, I went through a lot of addictions, and with their help, it's making me build my foundation a lot stronger.
There's really nothing that you can't fix when you do a hide if you have the various knowledge and skills to do it.
Throughout the growth and the education that I learned, I've noticed that becoming a teacher is a good way to be a good role model. That's my career choice, and as a trade, I wanted to be an electrician, and then I wanted to use those for my sobriety to become addiction counselor later on when I'm older.